Hey, it's Mark from LayLax here at SHOT Show 2023. Got some cool things for you guys. Let's start off with this. This is our brand new Elite Series CNC hop-up chamber, made in Japan. Ideal for you guys who want the best and the most performance out of your AEG. Now, one of the things you're going to notice is it comes with 2 buckings instead of 1. Now, the purple Promi bucking, the purple one, is the one that you've seen and loved over the years. But this blue one right here, this is our brand new blue firm type 60-degree bucking. This is going to take you easily from 380 all the way past about 420, 400-ish FPS, using way heavier BBs from 0.28s all the way up to 3.6s. So for those of you who are living in maybe countries that allow higher FPS, or if you want to use something like HPA, this is a great option for you. And with the CNC precision making, its tolerances are way better. Another cool design feature is the hop-up arm here is a top-down design hop-up. So what that does is gives you the best amount of push down and contact with your BB. So it's going to fly straight in any condition. This is a great addition for anyone who wants the best performance that you can get. Next, I want to talk about our colored spring series. I know, springs, right? Everybody knows what springs are, but the cool thing about our springs, again, they're colored. So for techs out there, it makes life very easy. We have things like our purple, which is our MS90 spring, gold, blue, green, and red. So this makes anybody's life way easier when teching. You no longer have to worry about counting rungs or like what spring is which. You can easily identify them simply by the color. Now, I know a lot of people are worried, oh, coloring, does it flake? Is it gonna have problems? Will it foul up my gearbox? Because in times past, there have been colored springs that cause a lot of problems for people. The great thing about our springs, it has a new micro coating style technology that we use. This ensures that there's 0 to very minimal lossage of color. So what that does is the color that comes off over high use will not foul up your gearbox. And even after 20 to 40,000 rounds with our red spring on about 420 FPS, the coloration is very minimal, the color loss is very minimal, and it did not foul up our gearbox at all. Finally, this is a big one for 2023. Hi-Capa guys, so many of you have requested something like this, and if you don't know what this is an M4 HPA, M4 magazine HPA adapter for the Marui spec Hi-Capa. So anything is Marui spec, this thing is plug and play. 100% made in Japan, so it's quality you can depend on. Some of the differences that will be the final product is maybe the valve and the gaskets will change to allow for higher flow, a more consistent flow of air, but this is all subject to change. Another thing you're going to notice is this is not a 3D printed sample. This is an injection molded product. So we want to make sure that we have really great quality and build craftsmanship. The design is very cyber and futuristic, and that's something that we wanted to do as well. Ergonomically, it's also designed very well. As it fits in your hand, your line comes out nicely underneath your forearm. It doesn't come back into you. It doesn't come straight down. It's designed with your hand in mind, so when you have to point your gun, it kind of just flows nicely. Magazine release is nice and situated where your thumb would naturally go to strip the magazine out and reload. So everything here is built with the player in mind to be able to maximize your time and performance of your Hi-Capa right here. This will be coming out this year. We want to make sure when we launch this thing, it's done right. So please keep an eye open for this guy.